Hello all, welcome back to my channel. This is day 2 of Genting Cruise. Hope you all liked the part 1.
So it's the next day morning and we have reached Malaysia. People are disembarking.
This is Little Dreamers Club, and here you can leave your kids from ages 2 to 12, and they have a lot of sessions for kids. So we left Nova, and that's in case of emergency, they will give a call back to you. He was happy attending sessions there. We just came out to click a couple of pictures. And we started exploring each and every floor.
Okay, so right now open your table napkins and to every side, just take this one to the center. Okay.
This is a art exhibition. You can purchase artworks. Here is another restaurant and bar. The art gallery had a lot of artistic work. After exploring quite few places downstairs, we decided to go outside to the activities area. So here we have mini golf, rock climbing, ropes, table tennis, chess, a lot of activities, even zip line is there. This is another restaurant, by the way, and the cruise had nearly 17 restaurant bars in total. This section is for spa, and you can purchase swimming suits and other spa related stuff. This is the spa room. We have got steam rooms inside. And this is the bridge room. This is the display about the ship, all the details, and who is the captain. And this is the place where they operate from. I don't see a traditional wheel of a ship though. See, this the captain in charge right now. All the control room and everything is here. There is a helipad in front of this. After this, we started going outside in the water slide park.
낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 벌컹벌컹한 사나해 그런 사나해 나를 내워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 나를 내워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 가져가는 사나해 그런 사나해 나를 내워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 나를 내워 사랑스러워 그래 너 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남스타일 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남스타일
After this, we got refreshed and had our dinner. This was a different restaurant. The dinner was so delicious, and then we explored few other places. This is Zodiac Theatre. Throughout the day, there were a lot of performances. Actually, we missed it because we were hanging around the water theme park. We just visited the theater to get a look and feel of how it is. This theater can occupy around 1,000 audience, and it was so huge and well built. Nova was having a very good time. And he was taking each one of us to the stage and back. It was late in the night, and we were in the deck, lower deck, having a view of the ship cruising. The waves were very small actually. I thought the waves will be very big when a ship moves. And this is an indoor play area. When you are with the kids, you have to have energy throughout the day. I wish I had at least half of that of Nova's. And we did an experiment, and this is a bottle with water, and this is the vibration that you feel when you are in a cruise.
you very much. Thank you. All right.
This was one of the cutest moments when Olivia started crawling towards Vineet. She didn't find him for a long time. Vineet was working. As soon as she started seeing him, she crawled and went ahead. I was very much attracted towards this door. I was entertaining myself by opening the door, and you feel the air in your hair. And it was late night. The crew is cleaning all the Zouk beach area and preparing it for the next day. And thank you so much for watching the video. There is part 3, day 3. So we'll catch up soon. Till then, take care. Bye.